You're looking at the Juiced Bikes City Scrambler. This bike has changed my life around San Francisco and made it amazing to get around. I'm gonna tell you, it's a really radical bike. It's treated me good. I've had no issues other than one flat tire in 1,100 miles. And this baby is awesome. You're either watching this video because you like the Scrambler, you dislike the Scrambler, or you're curious. Most people have an opinion already formulated. I'm here to tell you, I've ridden a bike since I was 3. I didn't want to ride a normal bicycle again. I bought a mountain bike a month before I bought the Scrambler, and honestly I took it back, and when I got my Scrambler, I've been riding almost daily. Let me tell you a little bit about why I feel this way. First, let's go back in time. It was 2018, and Uber and Lyft had ruined our city. Traffic at an all-time high, getting around, not fun. I saw a lot of people have these cool bikes. I saw Posty get a cool bike, and I was like, what's going on? I saw Casey ride this style of bike, and I was like, dang, I gotta get one of those. Juice came up, and I was like, I'm down. So I did the Indiegogo, took a risk. I'm number 998 owner, and I paid $9.99. Best $9.99 I ever spent. So what's the City Scrambler all about? Well, it's got a 750 watt motor, it's got a front suspension, it's got fat tires, it's got hydraulic brakes, and it's got a 52 volt battery. Those are all awesome features. Now, you may have ridden the highest quality Onyx bike, spent $4,000 plus. That's a 150 pound bike that range wise isn't much more than the 19 amp hour of this. So 60 miles per hour compared to 30, not going to be close, but the Scrambler holds its own. And now the bad stuff, because everything's got bad stuff. It's heavy, it's 80 pounds. You better be ready to carry it. The bike gets looks. Everyone's going to ask you about it. And then thieves are going to look at it, so you can't leave it locked up. It'll get taken. So, eyes always, lock, only temporary, keep it in your sight all times. Finally, get a 19 amp hour battery. That 13 amp hour, it's going to tease you, it's going to be fun, but you're definitely going to want more. This is a great way to get around. What you're going to have is something new, something that kind of makes you feel like, woohoo! Like that old lady right there. She'd be like, what? And you're like, yep, I'm not on a motorcycle. What's great about the Scrambler is you're going to find you're going to explore places. I never have gone to Golden Gate Park more than since I got my City Scrambler. It's just fun. It's cool. You can get around, go to Little Pass, do all kinds of stuff that you normally couldn't or wouldn't do in a car, and it just makes it fun to explore and go around. Couldn't recommend it more. Now we do have some accessories that you're going to see on here, and I wanted to talk about them because I think they're pretty cool. They're kind of a little bit must-haves in some form. You're going to need fenders. They sell the fenders from Juiced Bikes, $150, totally worth it because your butt's going to be wet from that tire as soon as you go through a puddle. A bike lock. I got a basic one. It's light, fits around the bike well, it works for me. I got a little speaker in the beginning. This little almond tree actually hangs out with the JBL speakers I've gotten as well. Probably going to do a review of all my speakers. I like it though. And you need a little bag to put everything. I got all my emergency stuff in there, tubes, anything to repair a tire is in that bag for me. In addition, of course you need a helmet, and I ended up changing the tail light as well. Tail light's $39. It's the cheapest, easiest money for you. Get a bright tail light and you'll feel a lot better. And of course, style yourself with a cool helmet and you'll be good. As you can see, the City Scrambler is $17.99. It's a lot more expensive than what I paid, but dang, it's totally worth it. Some final thoughts on the Scrambler. and quick. It's awesome. It's fun. It's a great time. It's a new style bike, and it'll kind of make your love of bike riding, if you lost it kind of like me, fun again. So thumbs up, highly recommended. I'm gonna leave some footage here. Enjoy, guys. I'm gonna recommend you get a 19 amp hour battery, 19 amp hour battery, blah 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 blah, and shit, these are harder to do than I thought.